Welcome to the complete guide to skiing in Gulmarg, one of the most breathtaking skiing destinations in the world. If you're planning a trip here or just dreaming of it, this guide has everything you need to know. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more amazing travel and adventure content. Located in the picturesque valley of Kashmir, Gulmarg is not just a skier's paradise, but a haven for adventure lovers. With its pristine slopes, powdery snow, and stunning views, it's a must-visit for anyone seeking an unforgettable skiing experience. The best time to ski in Gulmarg is from December to March, when the snow is at its finest. January and February offer the best conditions for powder skiing, making it the peak season for enthusiasts. Gulmarg caters to all skill levels, from beginners to pros. Beginners can start at the bunny slopes, while seasoned skiers can take on the legendary Afterwatt Peak, which offers thrilling runs and deep powder. No need to bring your gear if you're traveling light. Gulmarg has several rental shops offering skis, snowboards, and other essentials at reasonable prices. Always check the equipment before heading to the slopes. New to skiing? No problem. Gulmarg has professional instructors who offer lessons for all ages. Whether you're a first-timer or looking to refine your technique, these experts have you covered. From budget-friendly guest houses to luxury resorts, Gulmarg has accommodations to suit every traveler. Many of these places offer stunning views and easy access to the slopes. No trip to Gulmarg is complete without a ride on the Gulmarg Gondola. It's one of the highest cable cars in the world and takes you straight to the heart of the skiing action on Afterwatt Peak. Here are a few tips to make the most of your trip. First, wear proper layers to stay warm and dry. Second, always check the weather forecast before hitting the slopes. Third, keep a first aid kit and emergency contact numbers handy. And finally, respect the local culture and environment. Visual stunning sunset over Gulmarg slopes.